Hey students, so I just wanted to go over with you real quickly kind of how to use Packback. I know we're going to have two posts really in week one, so I just want to run through you very quickly how to use Packback and kind of what the expectation is there. So if we go ahead and we click in week one here, and we'll just go with our introduction post, and I'll just give you guys a hint here. You're going to have to read this, the introduction post information document, and check it as reviewed before this will open up to allow you to actually go to Packback and make your post. But once that's opened up, you can click on that. Make sure you click on it from Blackboard. This is how your grades are going to be synced into Blackboard. So what it'll do is it'll come in here and you'll see the question that I've got here. What led you to decide on accounting as a major in college? And you can read the preview of the post. Please read what I've posted. And then once you've read what I've posted, go to Ask a Question. Click that button right here, this Ask a New Question button, and then type in your question. Anytime we do these Packback posts, just make your question the same as mine. So in this instance, your question that you'd ask would be, what led you to decide on a career in accounting, or whatever the wording on my question is. That's how we're going to know which post you're talking about. Now, once you go into reply and comment on other people's posts and all that, you won't need to do that. But when you start a new post, it's going to ask you to ask a question. And that's how we're going to keep track of all these. Just go ahead and use whatever the question is that I've asked. Use that as your question as well. And then add your description, which will be the body of your post. So that is basically it on what you're going to do when we're commenting. So the ask every week that we're doing one of these posts is that you ask a new question and that you add two responses to somebody's question. So that's basically just posting your initial post and replying to two of the other students like we would in Blackboard discussion posts. The biggest difference here, like I mentioned in the Packback Day 1 video, is that you're required to hit a curiosity score in order for your posts to count for full credit. The only other thing I really want to mention right now is that you will have to sync your gradebook. You're responsible for that. I can't go in and sync all of your grades to Blackboard. You've got to do that. I would not wait until the end of the semester and sync all your grades, because you're never going to know what your grade is. So after the week is over and you have posted all your questions and you've posted all your replies, I would go back in and sync your gradebook, and then that'll put everything into Blackboard so you'll know where you're at. Alrighty. Well, thank you guys. I appreciate it.